Hi, my name is Chuks Okoli. I'm 38 years old. I live in Valdez, Alaska, and I'm a machine learning engineer working with Leidos. I had my bachelor's in chemical engineering in Nigeria, and then I worked for a while in Nigeria and then came to Alaska in 2017 for my master's in petroleum engineering at University of Alaska Fairbanks. Wanted to see the snow, wanted to see, ice, games, and just see the beauty of Alaska. It's more like a family here. Everyone opens their house to you. It's totally different from Lower 48. I think I did chemical engineering just because I was good in maths. It was just the natural field that I felt I could really do well in. I couldn't get a job in the oil and gas industry because of the oil price crash. That made me think a lot about my career choices. For me, it was like I needed to be in an industry that it's not really affected by ups and downs. That's when I started on Bootcamp. The length of the bootcamp was a challenge, 8 months, but I'd rather be a data scientist in 8 months than do a bootcamp for like 6 weeks and claim to be a data scientist and then not know even what I'm doing. I used Career Karma, checked for like the top 10 bootcamps in the US because I wasn't ready to waste money. I needed a guarantee. Some of them don't have like 100% job guarantee. The bootcamp is designed like a tech company where you study for 2 weeks and then you're doing a project for the remaining 1 week or the remaining 2 weeks. That's how even my company is structured right now. You have a meeting this week and then you work the next 2 weeks and then you meet again and then you're working. My wife would always like check on me and make sure I was doing the right. It was different for her, seeing with me writing codes and not understanding what I'm doing. In my everyday life, even when I'm watching Netflix, I get like movie recommendation based on what I've watched. The moment I just see it, I just tell my wife, this is data science in action. There's just so many everyday life application of machine learning. For instance, hey Siri, what time is it? And Siri replies to you, that's machine learning. It's an exciting time to be alive. When I did my program, we had like 5 active tutors who were always replying students' questions. Most of the tutors are practicing data scientists who are already working in an industry. I know one particular tutor, he works with IBM. I'd always send him paying questions and stuff like that, and he would always reply, and his reviews are pretty insightful. Even before the final module in the bootcamp, I already started applying for jobs. My first data science interview was with Tesla, and then next it was DoorDash. I actually got my job a month after I finished bootcamp. I work with Leidos. What I do essentially is just any project that they have currently related to machine learning for oil and gas, applying different machine learning algorithms to geological and geospatial data sets. I don't have to be in the field. I just have to have my laptop with me. Now I just write codes all day. Companies pay for your value. As a data scientist, your ability to take an ambiguous problem and then translate that problem using data to generate insights is very important. If you're trying to break into the industry, just be open to learning. Doesn't matter what you've done before. You could actually make the transition into data science and you can still succeed.